3D printer prices. When it comes to 3D printer prices, it's good to take a few things into consideration. Number one, what's your level of interest in 3D printing? Is it as a casual hobbyist, or do you have more commercial aspirations? Number two, what type of things do you want to make with your 3D printer? Small things, medium-sized things, or large things? Number three, how much will it cost to buy a 3D printer? Also, where to buy a 3D printer? And can you buy the 3D printer that you want for cheap, on sale, or at a discount? Once you answer those questions, 3D printer prices won't be a problem for you. Hey, if you want to take a look at the best-selling 3D printers and 3D printer kits on sale right now and read the best 3D printer reviews, go to 3dprinterkitsale.com and even find out how to get a discount on the 3D printer you want to buy, as well as qualify for free shipping. So go right now to 3dprinterkitsale.com. Thanks for watching.